Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over all of the good deals that are going on at Dollar General this week, plus we have a glitch list. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up we have our food deals. We have Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $13. And we also have a sale on the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 2 liters. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $5. Next up, we have the Coca-Cola and Sprite 12 packs. Those are on sale, buy 2, get 1 for free. So you're going to pay $15 for 3. And also we have the Coca-Cola and Sprite 2 liters. Those are on sale, 2 for $4. Next up, we have the Dr. Pepper 6 packs. Those are on sale, 3 for $12. And we have that 1 off 3 digital coupon. So you're going to pay $11 for 3. Alright, next up we received this $2.80 off 1 digital coupon for the Folgers Coffee Tub. So pick up one of those at $10.75. And we also have a deal: when you spend $10 on Folgers, you're going to get a Clover Valley creamer for free. So you're going to pay $7.95 for both products. And if you do pick up these items this week, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Your Rewards rebate app, because we do have this little bonus. When you spend $25, you're going to earn 2,500 points, which is $2.50. And you can work toward that over time. So make sure that you scan in those receipts. Alright, moving right along, we have the Progresso soups. These are on sale, 2 for $4. And again, if you pick up these items, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because we do have a couple of bonuses on the Progresso products. So we have this one here: for when you spend $10, you're going to earn 1,000 points, which is the equivalent of $1. And then we also have this bonus right here for General Mills Cozy Meal products. When you spend $15, you're going to earn back $1.20, and Progresso soups are included. Alright, next up we have this 1 off 1 digital coupon for the 80s ice creams. These are on sale this week for $3.75, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.75. And then we still have this deal going on for the Nestle ice cream singles. So we have this digital coupon for buy 1 get 1 free. If you want to pick up the Nestle Push Pops, those are priced at $1 each, so pick up 2. Use the coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 2. Or you could also use this digital coupon on the ice cream sandwiches. Those are priced at $1.50 each, so pick up 2. Use the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Alright, next up, here's a really good deal. We have the 10-count Sister Schubert's dinner rolls. These are priced at $3, and we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying just $2. Alright, next up, we have a 40-cent off 2 digital coupon for the YoPlate yogurts. Pick up 2 of the YoPlate Starburst yogurts. Those are priced at 75 cents each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.10 for 2. And again, if you pick up these items this week, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because we have this General Mills YoPlate yogurt bonus for when you spend $15, you're going to earn back $2.50. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Reese's Baking Chips. So pick up a bag of these at $3. Use that digital coupon, you're going to pay just $2. Now, these are also on sale this week, 2 for $5. So if you want to pick up 2 bags, use that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2, making those $2 each. Now, if that's not enough Reese's for y'all this week, go ahead and pick up 2 of the Reese's miniature 8-ounce bags. Those are priced at $3.75. We have this $2 off when you spend 7 DG store coupon, and a 1 off 2 manufacturer coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $4.50 for 2. Now, we all know that Halloween is right around the corner, and we do have several awesome candy deals going on at DG this week. So here is another one. We have the Butterfinger assorted candy bags. These are on sale, buy 2, get 1 for free, and they're priced at $5 each. And then we also have this awesome digital coupon for 2 off 2. So pick up a total of 3 bags after the sale and the coupon is applied. You're going to pay $8 for 3 bags. Now, we also have a sale on the Mars Wrigley bags of candies. These are also buy 2, get 1 for free. So pick up a total of 3 of these bags. These are priced at $5.50 each. And we have a DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend $10 on the Mars Wrigley products. So pick up a total of 3 after the sale and the coupon. You're going to pay $9 for 3 bags. And if you do pick up any of the Mars Wrigley candies this week, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because we do have a couple of bonuses on the Mars Wrigley candies. So we have this one right here: for when you spend $20, you're going to earn back 1,000 points, which is the equivalent of $1. And then we also have a spend 30, get back 1,500 points, which is the equivalent of $1.50. Alright, now next up here is another candy deal. We have this 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Kinder Bueno bars. These are priced at just $1, so pick up one of those, use the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Now, next up, we receive this $1.50 off 1 digital coupon for the Sour Punch candies. So pick up the 70-count bags. Those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $2.50. Now, while you guys are out shopping this week, don't forget that we do have a couple of freebies on Fetch Rewards right now. So we have the M&M's Crunchy Cookies, and then we also still have the Gatorade with protein drinks. So if you want to pick up those items, then submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You're going to get 100% of your money back. All right, now next up we have some dog food deals. So we did receive this 50 cent off one digital coupon for the Pepperoni Dog Treats. These are priced at $2.25. So pick up one, use the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. Now for this product, we also have a $1.50 off two digital coupon. So if you want to pick up two, use that coupon, you're going to pay $3 for two, making those $1.50 each. All right, now for this next deal, we're going to be stacking a DG store coupon with a manufacturer coupon. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the 3-pound bags of Kibbles and Bits dog food at $5.75 and one bag of the Pepperoni Dog Treats at $2.25. We have a DG store coupon for 2 off 2 for the Kibbles and Bits and Pepperoni products. And then we also have that 50 cent off one for the Pepperoni Dog Treats. So after both of those coupons are applied, you're going to pay $5.50 for both items. Now we also received this 75 cent off one digital coupon for the Milk-Bone Dog Treats. So if you want to pick up the 2.7 ounce bags of dog treats, those are priced at $2.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.90. Alright guys, now we're moving through these deals pretty fast today, so I wanted to go ahead and take a quick second and make sure that everybody's had enough time to leave those smiles down in the comment section below for me. And if you haven't done that already, right now would be the perfect time to do that. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button as well, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And we all love free stuff around here, right? So go ahead and hit the thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright, now jumping back into the deals, we have this 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain Liquid Laundry Detergent or the Bounce Dryer Sheets. So these products are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Now we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain Laundry products. Now this coupon works with a lot of products. They are all priced at $4.50. However, we do have one that I wanted to point out to you all specifically because we do not always get this deal. So we have the Gain Powdered Laundry Detergents. These are normally $5. However, they are on sale this week for $4.50, and after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $3.50. Alright, next up we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Todd laundry detergent. So these are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Alright, next up we have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon for the Snuggle products. So we have these Snuggle fabric softener sheets, 120 count. These are on sale this week for $4.50. So after that coupon's applied, you're going to pay just $3. Now, we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the All and Snuggle products. Again, there's a lot that y'all can choose from with this coupon. These products are all on sale this week for $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And I do want to go ahead and point out that the All Mighty Packs, these are normally $6.20. So with the sale and that coupon, that is a really good deal. Alright, now next up, this amazing deal is back again. We have the Hefty Slider Storage Bags. These are on sale this week, 2 for $5.50, and we have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $3.50 for 2. And guys, don't forget this coupon does expire at the end of the week. Next up, we have a $1.50 off 2 digital coupon for the Clorox cleaning products. So if you want to pick up the toilet bowl cleaners, those are priced at $3 each. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2. However, this deal does get a little bit better because right now on Inbox Dollars, we have a $2 rebate for purchasing 2 Clorox products. So submit your receipt to Inbox Dollars, get $2 back. That's going to make your final price $2.50 for 2, making those $1.25 each. Next up, we have 50 cent off 1 digital coupon for the Lysol products. So pick up the all-purpose cleaners at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. Alright, next up we have a 50 cent off 1 digital coupon for the True Living Bath Tissue 12 count. So these are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Now, we also have a deal on the 12 count Cottonelle bath tissue this week. These are priced at $5. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $4. And right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a 500 point bonus, which is the equivalent of 50 cents. So that's going to make your final price $3.50. And we also have a deal on the 12 count Scott bath tissues. These are priced at $5 as well. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $4. And right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a couple of different bonuses for the Scott bath tissue. So don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards rebate app so that y'all can work toward earning those points back. Now, I also want to go ahead and point out that we have instant savings on the Scott brand products this week. So when you spend $16 on Scott products, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. So I was very pleasantly surprised whenever I saw this in the app, and I think this is going to be great for Saturday with our 5 off $25 scenarios. All right, now next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Advil products. So pick up the 18 count. Those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. And then we also received a 3 off 1 digital coupon coupon for the children's Advil. So if you want to pick up the liquid, those are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $3. Next up, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Colgate Toothpaste. So pick up the Max Fresh Toothpaste. Those are priced at $2.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.95. And again, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app because we do have a spend 10, get back 1,000 point bonus on Fetch Rewards for Colgate product. All right, next up, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the CoverGirl eye products. So pick up the 2-count eyeliner pencils. Those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. All right, now next up, we have the 4.2-ounce Tresemme Hairsprays. These are priced at $5.35. And we have a 1-off-1 DG store coupon plus a 1-off-1 manufacturer coupon. So that's going to leave you paying $2.35. Now, you can also pick up 2 of the Tresemme shampoos at $5 each. Use the 1-off-1 DG store coupon and that 5-off-2 manufacturer coupon. That's going to leave you paying $4 for 2, making those $2 each. All right, next up, we have a 150-off-1 digital coupon for the Gold Bond lotion. So pick up the 5.5-ounce. Those are priced at $5.10. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.60. All right, next up, we have a save $2 when you spend $6 on Vaseline, St. Ives Simple, and Shea Moisture products. So if you want to pick up the Shea Moisture bar soaps, those are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Now, you could also use this digital coupon on the Vaseline lip balms. These are priced at $2 each, so pick up 3. Use that coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 3. Or you could also pick up a large bottle of the Vaseline lotions. Those are priced at $7. Use that 2-off-6 DG store coupon with the 2-off-1 manufacturer coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just $3. Or if you wanted to pick up 2 of these smaller bottles of Vaseline lotions, those are priced at $4 each. Use that 2-off-6 plus that 2-off-1 manufacturer coupon. That's going to leave you paying $4 for 2. All right, next up, we have the Axe body washes or the Axe deodorants. These are priced at $5 each, so pick up 2 of those at $10. Use the 2-off-2 DG store coupon plus 2 of the 150-off-1 insert coupons that came in last Sunday's save, and that's going to leave you paying $5 for 2. All right, now for this next deal, you want to pick up one of the Dove women's body washes at $7.50 and one of the Dove men's body washes at $6. You're going to use all 3 of the coupons that you see on the screen here, and that's going to leave you paying $7.50 for 2, making those $3.75 each. Now, if you guys have the buy one, get one free insert coupon that came in last Sunday's save insert, you can pair that up with that DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $5.50 for 2, making those $2.75 each. All right, now for this next deal, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Nivea lip balms. What you want to do is pick up 2. That's going to put you at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. However, this deal does get better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate back when you purchase 2 of the Nivea lip balms. So that's going to make your final price $2 for 2, making those $1 each. Now, if you guys have the 2-off-2 insert coupons from the $9.25 save, you can pick up 2, use that insert coupon, that's going to leave you paying $2 for 2, and then submit your receipt to Ibotta, get that $1 back. That's going to make your final price $1 for 2, or 50 cents each. All right, and moving on into our glitch list for this week, we have this 150 off 2 digital coupon for the Clorox products, and it is working on Pine Sol. So if you want to pick up the 48-ounce bottles, those are priced at $4 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50 for 2. Now, this coupon also works on the 24-ounce Pine Sols. Those are priced at $2.85 each, so pick up 2. Use the coupon, you're going to pay $4.20 for 2. All right, next up, we have that 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Tresemme products. Now, this one is working on the Tresemme hair masks. Those are priced at $2 each, so pick up one of those. Use the coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just $1. And then last but certainly not least, we have this 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Lysol products, and it is glitching and working on the Lysol multi-surface cleaners found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up one of those, use that coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Alright guys, so that is it for our good deals and glitch list video, but make sure that y'all stay tuned this week and turn on those notifications because you are not going to want to miss out on any of the videos that I have planned out for us. We have some really amazing deals to go over. Plus, this week we're going to do our 30,000 subscriber giveaway, and you guys definitely don't want to miss out on that. So, before y'all go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.